Hey, what is up guys? Andrew Pettis here. Welcome back to another unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing this thing. So yeah, today I'm unboxing the Steren rubberized texture slim keyboard. It's USB 2.0 and it's by the brand Steren, which makes some pretty good products that are very cheap and very affordable. So let's try to unbox it here. Let's get my knife. Nice. Let's cut it. We got it out. Look at it. Very nice. Very rubberish. So now I'm just gonna show you around here. It looks pretty cool. It's very awesome. Type B Steren again. Other things here. So yeah, it's really cool. Hopefully you guys like it. Here's the box again by Steren. Very awesome. So yeah, remember to like, comment, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.